Good morning. Uh, my humble advice would be that if suppose uh, while lodging complaint, despite the fact that there was a complete narration about implication of other accused, and the investigating officer, by applying pick and choose policy, suppose deleted any of the accused, you have two ways. Number one, you can file individual private complaint implicating them as accused under 200 CRPC, or wait till the evidence of victims and other listed witnesses are being recorded. Thereafter, you can file 319 CRPC petition. There we have some practical difficulties. If suppose we are assisting the prosecution and we want that the accused should be pleaded, there may be no proper cooperation of the assistant public prosecutors. Unfortunately, all over state of Tamil Nadu, the assistant public prosecutors availability before the court is very less. They are behaving more than the judicial officer, presiding officers. They choose time to appear before the court. They never concentrate. What happening we do not know. So probably the law enforcing authority, law commission authorities, the supervising authorities, advisory authorities of judiciary, namely the High Court and Supreme Court, should concentrate on this area, because filing petition section 319 is somewhat a difficulty. However, in the given case decided by the Supreme Court, they allowed the additional accused. Summoning of additional accused, refusal of FIR registered for offences 302, 307, 341, 140, 140. Private persons who are sought to be arraigned as additional accused were specifically named with specific role attributed to them. Then says, despite specific allegation, when charge sheet came to be filed, only two persons came to be charge sheeted. None of DSP or their reports are part of charge sheet or shown as witness or investigating. A victim, injured eyewitness as specifically named private person with specific role attributed to them. Therefore, they say, order of High Court refusing to summon accused as additional accused unsustainable. So, once it is found that trial court as High Court ought to have summoned the private person additional accused, belated filing of appeal or not filing appeal at relevant time cannot be ground not to direct summons private persons. Power under section 319 CRP can be exercised at any stage from commencing of trial and recording of evidence upon before conclusion of trial by any stage. This is what ratio the criminal side practitioner must keep the judgment on and record. What I intend to draw your attention was that as soon as if the accused are left out, if you immediately rush to the court to CRPC, change of investigation, all that. But according to me, that practice is we are pulling our own legs, because there may be possibility of delay due to pendency of these MPs filed by the victims. That is far better to file either private complaint under section 200 CRPC, which could be tried along with the final report filed by the prosecutor, or wait till you are being called for examination while assisting prosecution and all these things. I hope you understand the administered suggestions to conduct these sort of cases. Best wishes.